There's no reason that Israel needs to be this ally which we are willing to sacrifice our place on the global stage for, which we're willing to wage trillion-dollar wars to destabilize their neighbors. There's no reason except for the fact that there's so many Zionists in the American government, in lobbying groups like AIPAC, and they brag about their influence. They brag about being able to buy politicians. And you look up politicians that say pro-Israel things, that they defend Israel invading these cities in Gaza, and you look at how much money they've received from AIPAC and groups like that, and it's a lot. How many countries in the world hate the United States because we have chosen Israel as an ally over however many dozens of countries despise us for our role in that?
I know war. What's going on in Palestine right now is not a war. My name is Alan Shabaro. I was with 3rd Special Forces Group. I was a sniper, assaulter, and a breacher. I know war. What's going on in Palestine right now is not a war. It's the genocide, it's the ethnic cleansing of a specific people to take their land. This is wrong. And there's nothing more American than speaking out against what's wrong. The U.S. taxpayer is paying for this, which makes it even more frustrating. I'm paying for this. I am an American. I'm a patriot. This needs to stop. This needs to stop.
Ça n'est pas la même chose, évidemment, de périr sous les bombardements, même si c'est atroce, ou bien d'être visé en qualité de civil juif.
Nous devons trouver les mots justes lorsque nous parlons de génocide, lorsque nous parlons de déportés. Ce sont des mots qui sont sacrés et nous ne devons pas les laisser entre les mains de certains qui dévoient la sacralité de la vie qui était portée par ces déportés.
Ça n'est pas la même chose, évidemment, de périr sous les bombardements, même si c'est atroce, ou bien d'être visé en qualité de civil juif.